Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make Aravekal curry, a delicious and popular dish in Karnataka cuisine. If you are using fresh Aravekal, remove the beans from the pods. First I will boil the Aravekal. So let's see the boiling process. Wash the Aravekal cleanly, add them to a cooker. Add 1 glass of water to the Aravekal beans. Close the lid of the cooker and let it cook for 1 whistle. Once the pressure is gone, remove the lid of the cooker and check whether the beans are tender. Keep the cooker aside as Aravekal become tender and boiled well. Let's see the masala making procedure. To a mixie jar, add fresh coconut. As I don't have fresh coconut, so I'm adding dry coconut. Add green chilies. To the same jar, add tomato. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding all the ingredients, cover the lid of the jar and grind them into fine paste. Let's see the cooking process. Finely chop 1 onion. Turn on the stove. Keep the pan which you want to use for the cooking. Once pan heats up, add 1 spoon of oil. Once oil heats up, add mustard seeds and let them splatter. Add cumin seeds. Add 2 dried red chilies. Add chopped onions. Saute until onions turn golden brown. To the fried onions, add tomato and green chili paste. Mix it well and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Cook until the raw smell of tomato and green chili smell disappear. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and mix well again. Once all the spices are combined together, add the Aravekal beans and mix well. Cook on low heat until the flavors are well combined. Once it starts cooking, add salt as per your taste. I added 2 teaspoons of salt and mix well. Add garam masala and mix well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves or with kasuri methi. I am garnishing it with kasuri methi. Cover and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the flame. Serve hot with rice, roti or any Indian bread. Enjoy your delicious Avarekalu curry. Try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe.